Now, having seen this one, I know that this is one of my favorite places that have been here. Now, this is Ayanapa by the sunset. The tip of this video is this. It's almost a trip because it's been years since I've been there, but what you need to be paying attention is tilt the gimbal of your drone, just like I showcased here. Anything that looks that adds details into your video, please add it. Make it a transition. Make it a 45-degree angle, like, almost like this one, or even a zero straight down. Make the gimbal of the camera face straight down and go, slow and steady and show what's happening down there. It's very, very nice. It adds so much detail, and it's a very, a very common thing, but I don't really see it. It's usually something from above. It doesn't give the sense of depth. Like, look at this. You can pretty much see everyone, everything. And I know it's a time lapse, a bit of a time lapse, but the detail in this picture is just, you can see everything. This is the thing that you want to translate into your video or the scene that you're having. Add it. It's easy. It's common, but sometimes it might have been left out. So now you can have it in your toolkit. Do you have anything to add for this one? Do you have a tip that you want to share? Please add it in the comments below. I might use it as well, and I haven't mentioned it yet, and I'd love to know more. So cheers until the next one. Make sure to leave your comments down below and let me and I know it's pretty common sense about this one, but sometimes you know, we might have haven't thought about it yet. So there it is, man. Cheers.